showing oxidation reduction. So we're going to put some iron 2 sulfate solution into each of these beakers. Then we're going to acidify it with some sulfuric acid. It's all very bucket chemistry, this, so we can see it easily on the video. To the first of those, I'm going to add potassium permanganate, which is a purple solution. So this will be the one on the left-hand side. We're going to see what happens when the permanganate hits the acidified iron 2 plus solution. Okay, so we see a pink solution, then when I swirl it, that colour disappears. So we say that it has been decolorized. So the potassium permanganate has become the manganese oxidation state, which is colourless, which is manganese 2 plus. So when we're doing a half equation for that one, which is reduction, it's from MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. We also need to know what the iron 2 has become. Now, we can't see flecks of iron in there, so we can pretty much assume that it's not iron, and it's probably iron 3 plus, but we do have a way to prove it. There's a chemical called potassium thiocyanate, KSCN, and when KSCN meets iron 3 plus, it goes a characteristic colour. Let's see if this happens. And there we are. That blood red colour is a confirmation test that iron 3 plus is our product. So for oxidation, our half equation will be built around the pair of Fe2 plus turning into Fe3 plus. Right, let's see what happens in our other one. We'll get this one out of our way so we don't make a mistake. This is our other acidified iron 2 plus solution. We're going to add potassium dichromate, which is an orange solution, and see what happens here. I won't add too much. If I swirl it, we can see that it goes a bluey-green colour. That might be hard to see on the video, so I'm just going to put a bit of white paper underneath that. And there we are, we can see that bluey-green colour. If I'm a bit unsure, I'll just add a little bit more and allow it to react. Now again, we're presuming that the iron is what's been oxidised while the dichromate has been reduced to its bluey-green version, which is chromium 3 plus. But to prove that that's the case, we're going to again test this with our thiocyanate ion. Because we've got a green ion, which iron 2 plus is. So let's see if it has indeed been converted into iron 3. And again, we get our blood red colour. So yes, the iron 2 plus is turned into iron 3 plus in this case as well. So we're going to end up with both of them being oxidation of iron 2 plus, while we've got the oxidants or oxidizing agents of permanganate turning into manganese 2 plus and dichromate into chromium 3 plus. So our challenge will be to write half equations for that and to justify it using oxidation numbers.